That's why it's called, asana sound is called popo full. Popo means dovebird and foxtail is a common name, and Sanskrit is called Sita Puspam. And during the Bihu time, that time women and girls just start the tie up the hairband and perform dance Bihu. Yeah. But this is different. This is Aridis rosa. See the difference of foxtail, because
Yeah,
these wing
separates,
parts are very spotted. That's why they resemble the dove bird. And this is different. It looks like a peacock.
Yeah,
Close.
Correct.
right.
Peacock. And that fragrance also very nice. Now you try to
Yes, I
smell
can
this one.
smell
Without
without touching.
Look
Yeah.
at that one. This is called Dendrobium transparens. So here we try to preserve. There are two types of orchid. These are epiphyte orchids. So epiphyte, they don't require soil. And these are terrestrial. Terrestrial, they're growing on the ground. They need soil. They require soil. But epiphyte, they don't require soil because they have aerial roots. So aerial roots to take moisture from the atmosphere. So most important thing in orchid, they require climate, humid and moist climate. So they do not grow in the hot places, and in Rajasthan or Delhi, that kind of places. So epiphyte orchid, if you want to plant at home, you don't have any specific log, so you choose this kind of normal
Yes.
wooden log. Here we just planted on the wood log.
Yeah.
So they just need only support. But we create an artificial shade net house to maintain temperature and humidity. This is Dendrobium nestor. Look at this color.
Very nice.
And look at this one. This is different. This is Dendrobium anusmum. But it's the same genus, but its species are different. Now look at this one. These are Dendrobium thassiflorum. This is so beautiful. Yeah. And these are starfish orchids. See the individual one. It looks
they
like
look
a
a
starfish.
starfish.
Yes. Phalaenopsis many. So these are epiphyte orchid and these are terrestrial. Epiphyte means they don't require soil. You know parasite plants? No? Parasite means it's a one kind of plants actually.
Which
So-
lives on other plants.
But yeah, parasite plant, they're growing on the tree trunks, but everything they collect from the trees. The nutrition collect from the trees and they harm the trees actually. So those plants are called parasite, and these are just opposites of parasite. These are called epiphyte. So everything they collect from the atmosphere.
Yeah.
They make their own foods. Yes,
Really?
it's called photosynthesis. Now look at this one. You're lucky to see this flower. This is called Bulbophyllum barbizirum, and this petal is moving. They can movement to attract the insect for pollination.
See, they are moving. Correct.
See,
Yeah.
they can dance
Oh, cute.
to attract the insect.